Hey, my stew buddies. This is Fetters Farmstead. My name's Tyler. 4:30 came quite early this morning. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. Goat milk for a few local farmers a couple days a week, and it goes to a bottling plant and gets bottled for pet food. I won't mention the pet food companies because there's two of them and they're in a heated battle. Woo, they're fighting. Now we got all our goat milk hauled today, so now we can go home and work around the house for a while. But honestly, for the life of me, I can't figure out why the two pet food companies can't get along, and I'm sure there's plenty of work out there. There's plenty of pets and people who love their pets and buy all that good raw pet food, but I'm sure it's all going to work out in the end. The only people that are going to make out are going to be the lawyers that are involved. So when you get them involved, they're the only ones making money. Down. Don't try to bite me. Don't try to bite me. You crazy dog. Definitely cold again. Cannot wait for spring. I am so ready to plant garden and get warmed up in the heat of the sun. Oreo. Hey, Black Betty. Watch it, peg. Yeah, I'm coming. You look like you guys are hungry. I'll save some for Beefy. Goodness, Beefy. You sound downright hungry. Get this gate open. Give your little scratchings. Your little waddles. Oh, they're so cute. Thanks, buddy. Okay. I am about ready for spring, so I don't have to carry buckets anymore. like usual, didn't go as planned, but I got it done. Just take a minute to relax and enjoy life. Because sometimes it don't get any better than sharing some food with a friend. Hey, buddy boy. Beefy boy. Mr. Beefy. Hey, you're a good pig. Everybody's fed. Chores are done. Guess it's time for supper for me. Hopefully Sarah's got something good. I know she baked a carrot cake today. Whoo, buddy. Sarah's carrot cake is to die for.